Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to show taps on your screen on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So on your Samsung S25 Ultra, you can display a small circle or a dot wherever you touch the screen. So this basically helps you see that you have actually made some contact on the screen, and you can basically test the screen if it's working or not that way. So let me show you how to turn this feature on. So to do this, you want to first go ahead and open up the settings, scroll down and find developer option. Now, if you don't see that, you want to go ahead and open up About, go into Software Information, find the build number and tap multiple times until you see the message Developer Mode has been enabled. Now go back, go into Developer Option. From here, you want to go ahead and scroll down and find Show Taps. So this will be in the input. So where it says Show Tap, go ahead and turn this feature on. So this will show visual feedbacks for taps. So this is perfect for creating tutorials, screen recording, or debugging touch issues on your screen. It makes your interaction more visible and more clear. So there you go guys, that is how to turn on show taps on your screen for your Samsung S25 Ultra.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.